Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to clone yourself. This effect is pretty easy if you go through all the steps correctly. So I'm gonna show you and guide you through them. Let's talk about camera settings before. F-stop should be higher than 2.8, and it's because you need the video to be in full focus. So if you shoot 5 or 6 clones together, you need the whole video to be in the focus. Keep that in mind when you shoot. The next mistake that they do, they put themselves in a place where a lot of things change. Keep in mind when you make your masks around yourself and the car goes by or something else changes, this effect won't work. Shoot yourself in a place where you can guarantee that the background doesn't change and the light doesn't change as well. And now let's get into tutorial. As you can see, I shot 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Cut them off where you want them to start and end. Select the first video, go to the opacity, and here you can see free draw blazer. Take this one and create a mask around yourself. The second clone that I filmed shows up. I'm gonna put the mask feather on 55, and as you can see, when I press play, we have our second clone already. And then after that, go to the second video, press the same thing all over, the mask, and draw on your other person. Just be careful and do this correctly. And bam, as you can see, my third clone has appeared. Let's do the 55 on the feather again, and maybe let's correct a little bit more here so it doesn't go over. Whoops, yes, that's good. And as you can see, we have our clone video. And this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please like and subscribe and share it to other friends, people who need to know this trick. Pretty easy, pretty cool. I shot this just for tutorial reasons. I can show you a video where I clone one of my good friends, Daniel, here in a laundromat. Look for more cooler places, backgrounds, and the effect will pop more. If you have more questions about this, please leave a comment. I will try to reply and help you guys in any way. See you later. Bye.